Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone that couldn't refresh feed on your Instagram app, so for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this error, so just try to reopen your app, so just close and open again. Also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this issue, so just go to your Instagram app, just tap on it and wait some time until you will see remove app. Just tap on remove and just submit removing app from your iPhone. And after you remove it, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in search you just need to find Instagram and Instagram. And just download and install Instagram again on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.